Valeriana officinalis is a perennial plant native to Europe and parts of Asia, renowned for its medicinal properties. Traditionally used since ancient times, particularly for its calming effects, valerian has gained popularity as a natural remedy for various health conditions, especially those related to anxiety and sleep disorders. Recent scientific research supports many of these traditional uses, highlighting valerian's potential as a therapeutic agent. Historical background: valerian has been utilized for centuries. Ancient Greeks and Romans valued the plant for its sedative properties. The name valerian is derived from the Latin word valere, which means to be strong or to be well. In medieval times, valerian was commonly prescribed for ailments such as insomnia, headaches, and nervous conditions. Its use has persisted into modern herbal medicine, where it is often consumed in the form of teas, tinctures, or capsules. Key benefits of valerian: anxiety reduction. Valerian is often lauded for its anxiolytic effects. Research suggests that valerian may help alleviate symptoms of anxiety by modulating the levels of gamma-aminobutyric acid GABA in the brain. GABA is a neurotransmitter that plays a crucial role in regulating mood and reducing nervous tension. A study published in the Journal of Psychopharmacology found that valerian extract significantly reduced anxiety levels in participants compared to a placebo. Sleep improvement. One of the most well-known uses of valerian is as a sleep aid. Many individuals struggling with insomnia turn to valerian for its sedative properties. Scientific studies support these claims. A meta-analysis in the American Journal of Medicine indicated that valerian can improve sleep quality and reduce the time it takes to fall asleep. Participants reported better sleep experiences and fewer awakenings during the night when using valerian compared to those on placebo. Stress relief. Valerian also shows promise in combating stress. Chronic stress can lead to various health issues, including cardiovascular problems and weakened immune function. The calming effects of valerian may help mitigate these stress responses by promoting relaxation and enhancing mood. Valerian can be an effective natural remedy for those experiencing high levels of stress. Muscle relaxation. Another benefit of valerian is its potential to relieve muscle tension. The plant has been traditionally used to ease muscular spasms and tension. Research indicates that valerian may act as a muscle relaxant, helping to alleviate discomfort from conditions such as fibromyalgia and other muscle-related disorders. This effect may be attributed to its influence on the central nervous system and its ability to enhance GABA activity. Digestive health. Valerian may also support digestive health. Traditional herbal medicine has utilized valerian to treat gastrointestinal issues, including bloating and cramps. While research is still emerging, some studies suggest that the antispasmodic properties of valerian could help ease digestive discomfort. Its calming effects may also reduce stress-related digestive issues, such as irritable bowel syndrome (IBS). Safety and considerations. While valerian is generally considered safe for most people, it is essential to use it under the guidance of a healthcare professional, particularly for individuals who are pregnant, nursing, or taking medications. Valerian may interact with certain medications, such as sedatives, and could potentially enhance their effects, leading to excessive drowsiness. Conclusion. Valerian stands as a testament to the intersection of traditional herbal medicine and modern scientific research. Its diverse range of benefits from anxiety reduction to sleep improvement makes it a valuable natural remedy in today's health landscape. As interest in holistic and alternative therapies continues to grow, valerian's established history and emerging evidence highlight its potential as a safe and effective herbal supplement. Whether for anxiety relief, improved sleep, or overall relaxation, valerian remains a compelling choice for those seeking natural healing solutions.